Hey guys, welcome back. So yesterday I have developed till the landing page. So this is regarding Django tutorial. So today we'll move further. Like I will share you like how you can proceed further with your Django application development. So this is the code which I developed till yesterday. So this is the home page and home page is already developed. If I'll go to home.html, you can see like the basic home page I have developed. So this is not my project. Let me open the project which I working on. So let me open Visual Studio, not Visual Studio Code. Maybe I will open Visual Studio. So let me open the project folder over there. So I was working on open a local folder. I'll go and then I need to go to student management system and this student management system. Okay, so this is my folder. Let me select this and let me open that folder. So it is opened and you can see I have all the stuffs over here and I have to go to student management app and then urls.py. Okay, so this one is urls.py. So if I'll go to urls.py, from here I can redirect to my home page. Okay, so this is the home page. Just a second. I will enable PyTest, no issues. So if I'll click on home page, it will redirect me to home page, and this is the home.html, which is the HTML file we are rendering in UI in templates. Okay, so this is my home.html. Okay, so now today we'll do one thing. We'll just enable something in home page so that I can just go to homepage and I can see some tables or some modifications over there. Okay, but before that I have to start this. So I have to start my virtual environment first. So for that I have to go to my desktop and my project folder, which is inside my Python projects. And if I'll go to my virtual environment, inside that I have VNV student management system, and then I have to go to scripts.py, and inside that I have to just give a command like activate, and that should be in smaller case. Activate. Okay, so it is activated. Now I'll go back to my uh, project folder. Okay, so let me go back and let me go to students management system. Okay, student management system and then student management system and then python manage.py and then run server. So my server starts running. If I'll go there, you can see like this is the work we did till yesterday. So now today we need to modify something. So I want a specific URL where the home page also will come. Okay, so for that I just need to copy this and I have to replicate the line. The same thing will happen, just because here I will add the home and slash. Okay, so what this will do is I'll describe you. So suppose let me open Google Chrome and I'll open a new tab. Okay, so suppose I'm just giving the backslash and then giving enter, it will redirect you to home page. And if I'll give this, if I'll give home, that also will redirect me to home page. Okay, both will work. Okay, so home page, fine. So in home page we should have some student details button. Okay, fetch student details, maybe add student details, maybe. And yeah, that these two we should have. So let me add a button over there. Okay, so let me go to the home page and we'll add a button over there. So how to add a button, just we'll go and check like how the button modification can be done. But I'll add a button first. Add student detail. Okay, so this should be the button. Okay, and let me, okay, so this fetch student details, this button will fetch the student details and render it in UI. Okay, so to implement that, first I need to create a nav bar. Okay, so how to create a nav bar? Let me go to Bootstrap. Okay, Bootstrap, let me open the Bootstrap and let me open the Bootstrap latest and go to my documents, and then I have to go to quick start guide, create a new index.html, and CDN links and next steps and all. So I'll just do one thing. I'll include Bootstrap CSS. Okay, I'll copy this. Okay, so simply I need to paste it inside my boilerplate. So I have done this, and let me refresh this page. Okay, so hello world is coming, fine. Now I need to add some navbar over there. Okay, and I have these two scripts. I will do one thing. I'll just copy this, and this script, instead of this, I can paste the other two. Okay, let me paste the both the things over there. We can delete later. Okay, I just pasted the scripts link over there. Okay, and save. And now I'll go to components. And guys, before that, I'll share you something. If you are not getting what I'm doing, is I have a video on Bootstrap. So if you go to my playlist in Bootstrap, I have a video, not this, the Bootstrap videos. Let me open the specific playlist. So this one, Bootstrap basics. So if you'll go through the first video, Bootstrap navbar drop down menu is not working, resolved. So this one you can go through actually. So this video will help you to understand like how you can create a component and how you can add some drop down or navbar like that. So again, I'm repeating the same thing. Okay, I'll just create a navbar. So this is my navbar is. So I'll just simply copy the code. Okay, so I copied the code, and I will paste the code over inside the body. Okay, so just paste this. This is the nav. That's it. Let me go and refresh the page whether it is reflecting, and it is reflecting. So hello world, this one is not needed at all. So I'll remove this, save this, and I just refresh this. Okay, again the drop down menu is not working because popper.js is already included. Okay, so okay, at all my drop down menu is not needed though, but it should work. So for that I just used Bootstrap previous versions. Okay, if I'll go to 4.6 release, so this is my introduction documents, and this is the script starter templates. So Bootstrap, let me check whether the jQuery and Bootstrap bundle, and I need to include the popper.js as well. So popper.js, okay, these three lines I need to include to enable my drop down menus. So I'll do one thing. I'll just copy this, remove all the stuffs. I'll paste this. This hello world is not needed again, and those are the URLs I need to include over there. I have included. Okay, and then I need to copy the components. I'll go to components, and I need a navbar, right? So I'll go to navbar, and I'll copy that. Copy the code and paste it in the body. Okay, let me save this and let me refresh the page. Okay, so it came, and this time drop down should work. Let me check why it is not working. So I think I'm getting the same because previously we had something where we okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll remove this. This stuff is not required. This stuff is also not required. I'll do one thing. This scripts tag I'll simply describe in the head itself. Okay, inside the head I will define that this hello world is not needed. I'll paste this. Okay, let me refresh this. So still it is not working. So I need to find out. jQuery is fine. JS deliver jQuery popper.js is already added, and Bootstrap 4.6.2 3.5.1. Why this is 3.5.1? Okay, so UTF-8 and this body and all the stuffs are fine. Okay, so navbar is not working, right? Let me check this. I'll copy this. I'll remove all the stuffs, and I'll just paste this. Let me see whether it is working or not. Drop down. It is not working at all. So I need to add CSS or add the links. So for that I have to go to the getting started, and this is the CSS. I need to copy this, Let me see this 4.6.2 is delivered.net. Okay, this is the bundle and separate. If you decide to go through separate script solution, popper must come first. Okay, and this popper for, okay, this one I need to copy and I need to provide it over. I'll do one thing. I'll copy the boilerplate first. Okay, so starter template. I'll copy this starter template. I'll paste this. This hello world is not needed. Okay, so script is already added. Bootstrap. Okay, jQuery, and I need only popper.js, which is bootstrap jQuery. This one is fine. npm popper.js. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just copy this line or else this single line. Okay, because jQuery and bootstrap that is already added, right? jQuery and bootstrap is already added. This popper.js I need to add. Okay, fine, I'll copy this and I'll simply paste it over there. Okay, let me go and refresh this. Now I need to go to component, so I'll go to components and then I have to go to nas or navbar. Not nas, I have to go to navbar, and inside navbar I just need to copy this, and inside body I need to paste it over here. But before that I need to make sure like this links should come first. I'll remove this. I just paste it over here. Okay, so now the drop down is working fine. So these buttons not useful so much, we'll do it later. But here I'll do one thing. Instead of this home should be there, instead of link I will give fetch student details. Okay, or else I can do one thing. This link I may add some link, and in drop down I can just provide fetch student details, add student details, or delete student details. Disabled this thing I will remove, and this search option also not needed. Okay, and if I need to change the color of the nav bar, then I just need to go to this. Okay, so href I have already defined, and okay, how to change the color of the nav part that I will define you later, but let me change this link to link. I can keep it same, no issues. Action. Okay, so drop down. Okay, drop down, where is the drop down? So drop down item, action, another action, and some other action. Okay, so instead of action I will just give fetch student details. Okay, second option will be add student, or else I can give add new student. Okay, add new students, and I can give something else. Instead of I can give delete student, delete existing student. Okay, so let me see whether the changes has reflected or not. Yes, it is reflected, and I'll do one thing. So if fetch student details, then I should fetch some details over there. Okay, so for that I need to create some JavaScript, and I have to create some CSS as well. Okay, so for that I have to simply go to my static folder. Okay, so this is my static folder. Where is my static folder? Okay, this one. Okay, so inside that I have to create a new file or new folder. Okay, I'll create a new folder. I'll give JS, which is JavaScript. Instead static I'll add new folder, which is uh, CSS maybe, and another one should be JS, CSS, and files. Okay, CSS I can provide. Okay, CSS I will add. Let me take the reference from my previous project, what I did actually. So if I open the Visual Studio Code, so there I'll open some other project which I worked on, and there I'll show you like how we define the folder, static folders. Okay, so I can go to Q and application, and inside the static folder. Okay, so this is my static folder. Is we have CSS static.css. In files we have some sample files which is not needed, and js we have index.js. Okay, so I'll create the same thing in js. We'll create add new file index.js, which is which should be a javascript file, and static.css. Inside the static folder I'll add some new file which is static.css. Okay, so this should be the css file. And how to change the color of the nav bar, that I'll show you in this video. I'll try to do that. Okay, so nav class nav bar expand lg bg light. Okay, background light, this one I can remove. Nav bar light, this also I can remove. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so this is looks like something like this. And now I need to just add the color. How to do that? I just need to provide style, style style is equal to I have some reference. Okay, let me take the reference from my home.html file. So I'll go to Qn application and templates and home.html. Do we have any style over there? Let me find the style if I have anything. Okay, I have loaded this which is not needed. This one run lm. Okay, this one I have style. Okay, so that is fine. That is also fine. Inline style we have to mention. Okay, show content. This styles also I have. Okay, let me search that. Okay, how to change the color of the navbar? How to change the color of the navbar bootstrap? Okay, so let me see. What is the description they have given? Okay, so navbar bg light, which is not needed. Navbar custom. Okay, so like this we can do that. That's it. href we have added this never text and green. Never custom background color light green. Okay, so what they did is, so they have added href this light color background and navbar light pg light. Okay, and navbar background color navbar custom. Okay, I'll copy this code. Okay, and I'll do one thing. Okay, so before navbar I'll remove the style. Okay, simply I'll give a style tag, styl style tag, and I will paste this, and I'll close the style tag. Okay, so Napper custom background color light green. Okay, let's see whether it is working. It is not working because I have to change something. Okay, so what I need to change is style sheet href is this, and body is this, and class is napper light pg warning, which is fine, and napper custom napper brand and napper text colored green, that is also fine. Okay, so modify the background color. Okay, so napper pg light colored background, napper pg light napper brand. So let me see whether any class is there or not. Napper brand background color. Okay, napper custom. Napper custom. Okay, so I need to find this where they have defined this napper custom. Okay, fine. I have to find this napper custom. 1 2 3 and 4, and nav class navbar custom. Yes, so this class I need to define nav class. So I just need to provide nav class nav navbar custom. Let me see whether it is correct or not. So nav class, I will copy the whole thing. Okay, so I have to provide this navbar custom. Let me see whether it is reflecting or not. And yes, it is reflected. Okay, so this is the way, guys. Navbar custom and navbar custom. Okay, so what is the we provided previously, that I need to check. that I need to check. So Navbar expand LG, Navbar expand LG, and what else? Nav class, Navbar custom, Navbar custom. Okay, I'll copy this. I'll remove this, and after that, I'll just provide Navbar custom. Let me see whether it is reflected or not. It is not reflected at all because I have to provide Navbar custom, and LG that is not needed. Navbar custom. So this is also not needed, I guess. Let me do that. So this navbar is coming from, I'll just inspect this. Okay, so href is this navbar. Okay, that is fine. Navbar custom. Okay, but navbar custom is not taking, right? Navbar custom. I'll go to the code, source code. Navbar brand navbar a, that is fine. And nav class navbar custom. So if I'll copy this, so nav tag is closed there. Navbar custom. So style tag I need to add. Again, I remove the style tag. I'll do one thing. I'll add this style tag. Inside head, not inside head. After that head, I'll just create a style tag. I'll just provide this, and I'll close the style tag. Okay. So that is fine. Never custom, never brand. So the color is not changed for the nav bar. Text color has been changed. Napper custom, Napper brand. Okay, I got it. So basically, they're modifying the text color. Okay, so for navbar color, I have to provide this navbar custom. So navbar custom is not needed over here. I'll do one thing. After that, I'll just add this. Okay, now it's got changed to navbar, but the other button that is not needed. That is not showing actually because of this navbar custom, and I need to add the navbar lg, that part as well. Okay, so this one, navbar expand lg, so this is also needed. Navbar expand lg, this is also needed, but if I'm giving this, okay, now it's came. Okay, now the drop down is also working. So I'll do one thing. Color I can give is yellow, maybe. And background color, okay, background color I can keep as yellow, and this one I can keep as green. Okay, now it is looking somewhat okay. Okay, navbar green is fine. Okay, so let me open this actually in VS Code. So in VS Code I am facing some issues like reactivating terminals, it is not stopping at all. So if I'll open in VS Code, this actually tags will be visible, like what is the color. And okay, so I'll do one thing. So see, these colors are visible in VS Code. So I'll do one thing. I'll just open the project, open project, new window, and I will open my project over there, which is student management system project. Okay, so in home.html we have these colors, which is yellow and green. So green is not looking so much good. I'll simply move to blue or red. Red will be fine, I guess. So let me select red. Okay, so yeah, so it's changed to red. Okay, this navbar actually is not needed. We can just simply keep as home. Okay, so this navbar, Navbar, where is Navbar? Okay, so this Navbar is not needed. We'll simply keep as home link drop down, and this disable also not needed. So I'll just remove this link. This is not at all needed. I'm doing right? So I have removed that as well. Yeah, so now it is looking good, and I need to keep this as bold. Okay, so how to keep this bold? So for that, you need to go to this home tag, and you just need to keep inside a b tag. Okay, you just need to give b, you just need to give slash b, and that's it. So if you refresh this, you can give like this home is added and it is bold. Okay, similarly we can do with link. So where is my link? So link is there, nav link and link. So I'll keep this inside a bold tag, b tag. Okay, so this b tag I have added. Let me check. Yeah, it is added. And drop down menu, and this drop down also I can keep inside a b tag, inside a b tag. Okay, so just give b. I have to give this closing brackets and all. Yeah, so now it is looking good, and this search option is not needed. Okay, that I will remove later, or I'll try to implement something so that search option will be enabled. Drop down, you can see like, so again it is disabled. Why? So for that I need to check over there. Popper.js, everything is fine. So if I'll remove this Navbar expand LG or Navbar custom, if I remove, so how it looks like. So it is not working. So I need to just inspect this. Why it is not working again? That is absolutely fine. Navbar custom. Okay, let me remove this Navbar custom. Okay, let me remove this. So basically, if I'm adding some bold tag, so that's why it is not working actually. So let me remove this. Now this will work. Yeah, I cannot add the bold tag over there. Okay, navbar custom, custom, navbar custom. Yeah, so if I refresh this will come, and I cannot add the bold tag over there. Instead of that, I can do one thing. This is listed item, right? So let me try to add the bold tag over the whole listed item. I don't know whether it will work or not. Let me try. Okay, now it is working. Now it is working. Okay, fine. So if I'll click home, it will go back to home page. Okay, so if I'll give like this, then also it will redirect to me this page. Okay, so up to here it is completed. Now in the next video I'll try to render some data in the home page. If I'm clicking on the link, so instead of link I can give something like, okay, so if I'll go to fetch student details, then it will fetch the student details and it will render in UI as a table. And if I'll go to add student details, then it will add, you will be able to add new student details in the UI and delete also. So in the next video we'll try to implement that. I'll render some data in the UI. So I'm stopping this video here. So guys, if you have any question or anything, please give a comment in the comment box. I will be always reachable and I'll try to answer your question. And if you have any doubts, that also you can make a comment. And please guys, I am requesting you to subscribe my channel. That will give me a motivation. I am creating contents for you. If you have any suggestions for new content, you can give a comment. I'll be always reachable. I'm stopping here. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and goodbye.